Copart to go look at the CRX that they have in stock, which they never have. You never see a CRX in stock, so we're gonna go see if we can find anything for our CRX.
Boom.
You ever see a Lamborghini in stock?
What?
What up, though?
Okay, so here's the CRX. It's an 89, but it's okay. Has a good hood. We needed a hood, and the front bumper. We don't have a front bumper, so we're getting some stuff off of this one, which is good. So yeah, so it's worth the trip. Heading out of the pull apart with our hood and the bumper and some other tiny goodies. So excited.
So we made it back from pull apart with our haul. We got really lucky this time. They had one 1989 model CRX that had some good parts on it, and a lot of the parts we needed we were able to find, which is rare. Usually by the time I make it to the junkyard, all the parts we need are gone. But we found a front bumper, the bumper reinforcement, a good hood with very minimal damage to it that I think can easily be repaired, a good piece of rear carpet. We found a good antenna assembly. Ours on both of our cars are missing that. Neither one of our cars had a battery tray, believe it or not, so now we have a battery tray. And some lift struts, which to me, that's a win. That's a good haul for a junkyard trip to me. So stay tuned for future episodes where we end up bolting all these pieces on.
Say hi.
Hi.
So we are currently using a pair of vice grips to hold our hatch open. And I don't know about you guys, but that's a little shady. This thing is heavy, and I'd hate for that thing to fall and hit one of my girls in the head. So Phoenix is going to take the used lift struts that we found at the junkyard and put them on. So what she's doing is she's prying out on this little retainer clip. And once she gets it to the point where it's loose, she can just pull out on the lift strut. Ooh, it wasn't connected at the bottom at all, was it? All right, now she's gonna grab one of the new ones. When I say one of the new ones, but she's gonna grab one of the ones we got from the junkyard that are good. And all she's gotta do is just line up the little ball end with the lift strut and push on it real hard, and it'll pop in place, just like that. There you go, all done. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side, but I'm not gonna record that one because I'll be holding up the hatch. Hey, we're not using vice grips to hold our hatch up anymore. Little victories. Let's see what happens when we try and close it. Look at that. Oh man, that's so much better than a pair of vice grips. Cool. It's the little victories that make it fun, right?
Right. So get it ready to go to the body shop to get painted and worked on with any body damage. We've got to strip it down to basically just the shell.
Oh, you gotta be quicker than that? Whack!
Got it. Part of it.
Whack!
Got it.
Perfect. Now we're gonna take all these parts and put them over there in the corner. It's fine. You big doofus.